Hi, today we will analyze what financial literacy is and why it is needed. What is financial literacy? Financial literacy refers to the ability to understand and use various financial skills, knowledge, and resources to make informed decisions regarding personal finances. It involves having the awareness and skills necessary to manage money effectively and make sound financial choices. Financial literacy encompasses a wide range of areas such as budgeting, saving, investing, borrowing, understanding financial products and services, managing debt, and planning for the future. Here are a few key aspects and reasons why financial literacy is important. Personal financial management. Financial literacy empowers individuals to take control of their own finances. It teaches them how to create and stick to a budget, track expenses, and prioritize financial goals. By having this knowledge, people can make informed decisions to avoid overspending, reduce debt, and build savings. Making informed financial decisions. Financial literacy equips individuals with the skills to navigate through various financial options and understand the implications of their choices. It enables individuals to critically evaluate financial products, such as loans, credit cards, or insurance, and make choices that align with their needs and financial circumstances. This knowledge helps prevent falling into financial traps and making hasty decisions that can lead to long-term consequences. Building long-term financial security. Financial literacy plays a vital role in building wealth and achieving financial security. It educates individuals about investment opportunities, retirement planning, and managing risks. With the necessary knowledge, people can make informed investment decisions, diversify their portfolios, and better prepare for retirement. Financial literacy allows individuals to lay the groundwork for a financially secure future and mitigate risks associated with unexpected financial challenges. Avoiding fraud and scams. Understanding financial concepts and products also helps individuals identify and protect themselves from fraudulent activities. Financial literacy educates individuals about common scams and fraudulent schemes, such as phishing, identity theft, and Ponzi schemes. It enables people to identify warning signs and make sound judgments, protecting their financial security and avoiding potential pitfalls. Economic well-being and contribution. Financial literacy has a broader impact on society as a whole. When more individuals possess strong financial literacy skills, it results in better economic decision-making at both individual and societal levels. It leads to increased savings, responsible borrowing, better credit management, and overall financial stability. This, in turn, contributes to the overall economic growth and stability of a nation. In summary, financial literacy is crucial as it enables individuals to make informed decisions about their money, avoid financial pitfalls, and build a secure financial future. Developing financial literacy skills helps individuals become independent, confident, and responsible financial managers, leading to improved personal well-being and contributing to the overall economic prosperity. Let's compare the habits of rich people and the habits of poor people. David is someone who lacks financial literacy and possesses the habits of a poor person. David may struggle with managing his money, making poor financial choices, and lacking the necessary knowledge required to build wealth. In terms of lifestyle, David often lives paycheck to paycheck, relying heavily on credit cards for basic needs. He tends to spend money impulsively, buying unnecessary items without considering the long-term consequences. Without a budget or any financial plan, David often finds himself in debt and unable to break free from the cycle. David's spending habits also reflect his financial illiteracy. He may not prioritize savings or investments and instead spend most of his income on short-term indulgences. He may overlook setting financial goals or fail to plan for emergencies, leaving him vulnerable to unexpected expenses. Consequently, David may experience added stress and anxiety due to his financial situation. He may struggle to make ends meet, constantly worrying about bills and debt payments, and finding it challenging to afford life's necessities. The lack of savings or financial stability restricts his options and prevents him from pursuing opportunities that could improve his quality of life. On the other hand, Sarah is someone who possesses financial literacy and adopts the habits of a rich and successful person. Sarah understands the importance of financial intelligence and applies this knowledge to her daily life. Sarah's lifestyle is focused on long-term financial security and wealth creation. She lives below her means, valuing financial stability over immediate gratification. Sarah creates and follows a strict budget, tracking her expenses and ensuring that her spending aligns with her financial goals. Saving and investing are paramount for Sarah. She actively prioritizes setting aside a portion of her income for emergencies, retirement, and other future aspirations. She understands the power of compound interest, and her investments are diversified across various asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. With a financially literate mindset, Sarah actively seeks opportunities for financial growth. She constantly educates herself about personal finance, attends seminars, reads books, and networks with like-minded individuals in order to expand her knowledge and financial acumen. Sarah also takes calculated risks, exploring entrepreneurship and investment ventures to increase her wealth. Sarah's financial knowledge and disciplined habits provides her with a sense of security, freedom, and control over her financial situation. She is prepared for emergencies, has the ability to choose her lifestyle, and can pursue her goals without the burden of financial stress. Overall, Sarah's financial literacy and habits contribute to her success and ability to lead a rewarding life. These two contrasting lifestyles highlight the significance of financial literacy and its impact on an individual's financial well-being. Developing financial literacy and cultivating the habits of a rich and successful person can greatly improve one's chances of achieving financial independence and a higher quality of life. Here are some tips to become financially literate and achieve financial freedom. To become financially literate, you can follow these steps. Educate yourself. Start by reading books, articles, and websites related to personal finance, investing, and money management. Some recommended books include Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki, The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey, and The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. Take a course or attend workshops. Many community colleges and online platforms offer courses on personal finance and financial planning. Look for workshops or seminars in your area that focus on improving your financial knowledge. Create a budget. Develop a monthly budget to track your income and expenses. This will help you understand where your money is going and allow you to make adjustments to save more and spend less. Set financial goals. Establish short-term and long-term financial goals, such as saving for an emergency fund, buying a car, buying a house, or retirement planning. Having clear goals will allow you to focus your efforts and make informed financial decisions. Understand basic financial terms. Learn the meaning of common financial terms like interest rates, compound interest, inflation, diversification, and debt. This will help you understand financial discussions and make better informed decisions. Manage debt wisely. Learn about different types of debt, such as credit cards, mortgages, and student loans. Understand the interest rates and payment terms associated with each type of debt, and create a strategy to pay it off or manage it effectively. Start investing. Educate yourself on various investment options like stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. Understanding risk and return is essential when developing an investment strategy. Save and invest consistently. Develop a habit of saving and investing regularly. Explore different investment accounts like individual retirement accounts, IRAs, or workplace retirement plans like 401(k)s. Make use of employer matches if available. Keep track of your credit score. Understand how your credit score works and the factors that influence it. Regularly check your credit reports for errors and work on building a strong credit history. Stay updated. Financial literacy is an ongoing process, and the financial landscape continually changes. Stay updated on current financial news, changes in tax laws, and new investment opportunities. Remember, becoming financially literate is a journey, so be patient and persistent in your efforts to improve your financial knowledge. You, who is watching this video, you will become rich. If you agree, subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell.